Let's see how to perform a scan using Picterus Jaundice Pro. We can see I have scans available, so now I need to make a newborn profile. Press the button on the home screen to add a newborn profile. You can also access this from the app menu. Enter the newborn profile information: nickname, birth weight, gestational age, birth date and time. When you're ready, click Register. Now you can see that the active newborn profile is displayed on the home page of the app. Place the calibration card on the chest of the newborn. Make sure the card is lying flat and there are no shadows across the card. Press Start Scan on the app when you're ready. Now we align the outside edge of the green box with the calibration card, and the app takes 6 pictures automatically, 3 with the flash and 3 without the flash. Then the data is processed, quality checked, and we wait for the results. The results are shown in the app like this. The profile name, date and time of birth, birth weight, and gestational age are shown at the top of the screen. Then you can see the result. The age of the newborn at the time of the scan is also automatically calculated. The result can be shared manually by clicking on the share icon on the top right of the result box. If you're registered with an organisation using Jaundice at Home, then the result is automatically updated on the newborn profile and is visible on the healthcare professional's dashboard. Thanks for watching.